Alright everybody, welcome to Digital Space Simulator. This is number 2 in development video. They go over the new stuff's been added and some of the flight dynamics. I gotta turn on anti-analyzing because that looks terrible, but this will do for this video. Basically what's been added is this new model and new flight dynamics, or space physics for flying in space, and some new models, textures, FX, and a new cool feature I'm gonna go over, which is landing in space. Trying to land on actually the aircraft carrier, or spacecraft carrier. So let's go over some of that kind of cool stuff, features that's been added. So if you notice, one thing is when you fire thrusters, the point down, your top thruster will fire. If you want to go to the right, obviously the left thruster will fire. Same with the right thruster. You can see that nice little FX and reflection off the cockpit, which is pretty cool. So it's just like Newtonian physics. When you want to move around, pretending you want to roll your aircraft. Let's get to a nice view first. Well, any view will work, but this one's cool. So you can see that all thrusters are firing. They rotate, and if you want to rotate the other way, the other thrusters are firing. That's showing the new FX that's been added. So I forget what it's called, but it looks pretty cool. And you'll notice the nice space aircraft carrier around here. We'll fly around it and get a nice visual of it later, but let's attempt to do a space landing. Right now we're in glide mode, so it just acts like real space. So if you were to fire forward, you would fly forward and continue flying forward until you stopped. I added air brakes, not air brakes, but space brakes, I guess, to in case I need to slow down, which helps out. But right now we're just going to go in for a landing. As we get close to the runway, let's see if I can correct. No. Brake. Shoot. Well, that was close. Almost landed that. I forgot what I was saying there. But we'll try to go in for another landing. Let's apply some air brakes before we attempt our landing. We're coming in pretty high, but that's okay. Okay. Coming in. Oh yeah, so when you get close enough to the dang it. That's terrible. So when you get close enough to the actual landing pad, the magnetic field will be activated and start sucking your aircraft down. So it feels like just like if you were landing in real life and on a planet, it would feel the exact same way. So let's try this one more time, see if I can actually attempt to land. Oh, here's the aero brakes, by the way. Let me show them off. So if I'm flying forward, and it applies the aero brakes in opposite direction of your flying, so it helps out a lot. Alright, let's get lined up this time. Coming in pretty high, but that's okay, as long as I don't come in too fast. Okay, there we go. There we go, landed. I applied brakes at the end. I don't know why did the wheel go through the bottom? Looks like it did. It's a glitch. Must have hit too hard. That's okay. We can fly out of this one. So you get the idea. There's still some bugs that need to be fixed. Obviously you can break your shocks and stuff like that. That'll be in the future. So yeah, let's do some barrel rolls. I'll show you some barrel rolls, which is pretty cool. Alright, let's turn off glide mode. And let's start flying forward. Okay, So let's do a barrel roll. This is gonna be fun. Here we go, guys. Barrel. Alright. Now let's do a loop. A loop in a circle. You'll notice there's the entrails, which helps out knowing what direction you're flying. It helps out a lot with the knowing where you are in space relative to where you've been. So you can dodge missiles easier and stuff like that, and know that you're flying forward. For example, if I were to turn on glide mode again, and so you notice how we're still flying. Let's get some asteroids around us. We're still flying forward, but we're facing backwards, so we can fire at the enemy coming. If an enemy was chasing us, we could do exactly that. Turn around and fire missiles back at them. Alright, let's go forward again. Alright. I need to turn on the clipping turn off the clipping mode, because right now asteroids are spawning pretty close to us. If I turn on the clipping mode farther, we can actually see them easier. So yeah, let's see if I can find that stupid aircraft carrier. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's go fly to the aircraft carrier. Apply some aero brakes as we get closer. How are we doing on time? Alright, looks good. Alright, so we can fire some more missiles. Oops, I'm missing everything. Obviously I need a reticle, because I can't see anything, which would help out knowing what direction we're firing at. So you'll notice there's some new models down here. Missiles / spacecrafts. Let's go fly up. I'll turn on auto mode, so we don't have to worry about flying. And you'll notice that turn off glide mode. Alright, apply some aero thrusters. Alright, coming around. Alright, let's apply some brakes. You'll notice to the right, there's this new aircraft. It'll probably be the battle later in the future. Right now I turned off collision on them. You see RD2T up there, so I got that one off the internet. So that model will be applied. This model also is from Battlestar Galactica. Some of the textures were customized to make them look a little better. New effects, so that it actually shows rust and basically diffuse in the glass cockpit, and all the thrusters and stuff is all made by me, yeah, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so that's about it. I don't think I have anything else to show off except for cool space landings, and then this new aircraft. We still have the other aircraft, if you guys remember the model of it. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and let me know what you guys think. I really like this new model. I'm going to make my own model one day. Oh, it's that one that has no clipping. I remember I just set all my cameras and no clipping so you can see better. And then tons of asteroids everywhere. I'm not going to be releasing this yet. It's almost reaching 10 minutes. Alright, I should wrap it up. We could release this weekend, but I'm going to hold off. If you really want the executable, I can send you the executable of this. Right now there's no real gameplay because there's no start or finish line or bots or anything like that. I did add that capability, but not in this release. So yeah, some cool new stuff. The main thing is the space physics, which is pretty freaking awesome, and all that cool FX that go along with it, including thrusters and this new spacecraft and the aircraft carrier. Obviously, if you guys haven't seen that, the runway on the aircraft carrier and how it has a magnetic strip when you get close enough, and the physics reaction between that and your wheel tires. So, yep, alright, 2 minutes, gotta end this thing. Alright, talk to you guys later, peace.